What's up, everyone? All right, well, it's a red day recap. Small account is struggling. The last week and a half has not been easy. I had a couple of big red days back when I was still on vacation, then a couple of small green days, and then I didn't trade yesterday, and now today a $2,000 red day. So account's down over 10% today from, well, just about 10%, from a $20,000 starting balance down $2,000, so a little less than 10%. But in any case, I'm a little disappointed. It's the luck of the draw. We just haven't had really good momentum, especially on lower price stocks, which is what I'm trying to focus on. Because the account is smaller and because I'm choosing not to use leverage, I can take bigger positions on lower price stocks, and so I'm sort of focusing more on those. The last week, the trades that have been the biggest winners have been higher price, so I traded them in my big account, but not the small account. Again, if I was trading the big account or the small account every single day, and then I would probably say, well, I'll just try to trade the big higher price stocks with smaller share size because it's better than missing it. But right now, there's an opportunity cost in doing that. Let's say I take a trade with 500 shares in the small account, like, I don't know, a stock that's like $30 or $40 a share. That same trade in my big account, I could buy 10,000 shares or more. And $1 a share is then $10,000 in profit versus only 500. So I'm focusing naturally on my main account for those higher price stocks. And unfortunately, as it turns out, I'm missing some opportunity with the small account. But it is what it is. So kind of grinding and doing the best I can, trading two accounts at the same time. And today, the small account got the short end of the stick. So that's the way it goes. As always, in case you didn't already know, my results are not typical. You should not try to blindly follow me or anyone else. And in fact, you should assume as a beginner trader, you'll lose money. And with that assumption in mind, trade in the simulator before you put real money on the line. I hope you enjoy the recap. It's a red day recap. Please hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you first thing tomorrow morning for day 40 of the small account challenge. All right, I'll see you then. All right, so today's day 39, small account challenge. It's a red day, down $2,000. Took 3 trades. I lost on all three, so 0% success today. First trade was DATS. DATS is still holding up, I guess, relatively well. My trade on it was at the open. I bought it about 8:15. Right here as it was squeezing up. High, that candle was 8:16. I bought the next candles. It made the new high, hit a high of 8:32, and then flushed to 7.92. And I stopped out in this candle right here at about $8. It did end up coming back to 8:30, but it just didn't hold up. So I stopped out in that one, lost 239. Azrx was the next trade that I took. This one, I tried to do a halt resumption. I got in at 560. Was looking to buy the dip for the retest of the highs and stopped out right down here at 527, 2 cents off the lows. Not a great exit. Ended up bouncing back to break even. Well, I took the $900 loss. And then my last trade was JCS, which I got in at 850 for the break of the VWAP right before this candle here. I was in at 850 and out at 810. So those were 3 trades, 3 losers. And, all things considered, leading gapper today was weak. Second leading gapper of JCS wasn't much stronger. NNVC wasn't either. So maybe I shouldn't have taken any trades today, given that we didn't have anything that was really strong. I tried to make the most of what we had. And sometimes making the most of what we have can put me in the green, but not today. So down $2,000. The account this morning was at 20,000. So it's going to be at 18,000 now tomorrow, which is disappointing. It's been a rough couple of weeks in the account, from hitting the high of 26 to then dropping up to 19,000 and then making the progress back to 20 and then now dropping back down to 18. So I'm moving in the wrong direction the last couple of weeks in this account for lack of nice momentum and just kind of not catching the right setups. And I do need to start turning that around at some point here. I'm not loving that I've been giving back profit, but I step up each day, and we just haven't been seeing really good action in the price range that makes sense for the small account. I'm also not focusing exclusively on the small account. I'm still trading in my main account, and I primarily am trading higher price stocks in the main account. Some of those higher price stocks have given me some great opportunities in the last couple of weeks, but I just didn't take any of those trades in the small account. So small account's taking a little bit of a back burner and hasn't been doing as well. But once we get back into some nice action on lower price stocks, I think I'll be able to have a couple of nice back-to-back green days and start to make a little more progress. So anyways, that's it for day 39. I'll be back at it tomorrow for day 40.
And that right there was an entire video with no ads. I don't monetize my YouTube channel with video ads, which means you guys get to enjoy the content. But do me a favor, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and let YouTube know that this channel is the channel to watch if you want to learn about day trading.